Hello friends and welcome to my channel. Since we can't go to the Caribbean this year, let's bring the Caribbean into our kitchens. Today we're making steamed salmon in a tomato coconut based sauce. Simple, natural, wholesome ingredients that combine to create a result so savory, highly flavorsome, positively flavorful, and absolutely flavorific. And if you're wondering if those are real words, well, they're probably not. But this recipe not only tastes good, it's good for you. Let's take a quick break from the holiday junk eating and nourish our bodies with some soul-satisfyingly good food. If you need this on your plate, let's start cooking! Now that the major prep work is done, and because the fish comes together in less than 15 minutes, let's start working on the dumplings so that they'll both be done around the same time and we can eat while everything is hot, hot, hot. In this bowl, I'm adding 2 cups of unbleached all-purpose flour, 1 cup of fine cornmeal, 2 teaspoons of salt, and a tablespoon of brown sugar. I'll mix it to combine and then I'll gradually add warm water to make a soft dough. The entire process takes only about 5 minutes. This is a very simple recipe. We'll squeeze the dough to bring it together. And as you've seen in many of my roti videos, next we'll employ the roll it around method. We'll fold it down to the middle a couple of times just to smoothen the dough, and that's all there is to it. First we'll add the oil to the pot, a 1/4 cup of oil. It's on medium-low heat. Next I'll add the onion, the sliced onion. What's next? Next, I'll add the green seasoning. Raise the heat to medium. We'll cook it for a minute to remove the rawness of the green seasoning. Next, I'll add in the hot pepper, scallions, the thyme, the bell peppers, and the tomatoes. Raise the heat to high. It smells lovely of seasonings. Just want to stir fry this for a minute. We'll cook this for about 3 minutes, just to get all the flavors to melt, and for the veggies and the tomatoes to break down, and start releasing its flavors. Now I'll add the salt. I'll start with 1 teaspoon of salt. I'll add black pepper, just a sprinkle. Give it a stir. I'll now add in the coconut milk. About 2 cups, and I'll bring this to a boil. Now I'll add in the okra, whatever you call it. Taste for salt. I'll add 1 more teaspoon of salt. Give it a taste. How much salt added? Add salt to your liking. Since the fresh coconut milk wasn't creamy enough, I'm adding a little grate of the coconut block, just for a richer gravy. Just a few grates. Give it a stir. It's been cooking for about 3 minutes. I'm going to taste one more time. Tastes really good. Now I'm going to add the fish steaks, the salmon steaks. These are wild salmon steaks, and I usually add 4, but these are fairly thick, so I'm only going to add 2 today. Total of about 2 pounds. I'm going to cover and steam for about 5 minutes, reducing the heat to low. Break the dough in half, and then we'll make some dumplings, as big or as small as you like. Let's try this size. Okay. Roll it into a log. Make sure it's smooth. And then I'll press. And you can get very creative with your dumplings. So that's one. Roll and press. Reduce the heat to medium. And now we'll add our dumplings. In this pot we have 8 cups of water. We have 1 tablespoon of salt, a half block of coconut cream, and 2 tablespoons of green seasoning. All those ingredients, the green seasoning and the coconut, are optional. You can keep these dumplings plain. If you don't like cornmeal, you can eliminate it. If you don't like thick dumplings like this, you could make them smaller, thinner. You can get very creative. As I always say, as thick or as thin. No matter what you do, it's going to be tasty and delicious. You'll boil these for about 15 minutes and then we'll eat. So it's been cooking for a few minutes, and salmon does not need to be overcooked. As soon as it changes color, it's ready. And let's see if it flakes easily. As soon as it starts to flake easily, it's done. Absolutely delicious. I want to taste the sauce. It's rich and creamy and flavorful. And now we'll take off the stove. Absolutely scrumptious, delicious. It's comfort food. The dumplings are chewy, the salmon is flaky and delicious. There's a taste of coconut, Caribbean flavors, seasonings. It's well seasoned. Take another bite. Really, really good. I hope you give this one a try.